Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing well. This is another one of my series for Christmas this year, and I hope you're having some fun with me. The first thing I did, I weighted my casting compound and my water. I have about 100 grams of powder in there. And now I'm mixing my color into the water because it distributes much better when you color the water and then put the water in the casting compound powder because yeah, it is more evenly yeah, it's really one colored and not a streaky one. So I'm really stirring it around here, trying to get no lumps in there. And there you can see my mold. I bought this off of Timo. It was about €3 or something like that. Really cheap one, but I really liked it because it's really cute. So I'm filling up my mold here, and as you can see, it has a rim where you can really hold it and tap it on the table because you want to get the bubbles out of the corners of this mold. So now I'm trying to get it evenly, an even face of this piece because this what you see here on top is the front side. But if you have too much casting compound in there, there's no problem. You can really easily take care of it with a cutter knife. So now I'm trying to demold this one. This is the one with the red color that I made. And as you can see, it's kind of a struggle to get the pieces out of this mold. Nevertheless, it's really lovely and it's cute. And yeah, it's hard to get out because the casting compound, once it's hard, is about 1 hour after pouring. It's a little bit fragile, so you have to be careful with that. So I finally got my piece out and I really, really like it. So as you can see here, those windows, they are not really, yeah, you have to work them a little bit in order for them to look right. And I'm taking my craft knife and just cutting away some of the excess that I don't need there. And I always do that right after I demolded my pieces because the casting compound is still kind of a soft consistency, and it's not a problem if you already let it harden all the way. It works like that too. So I have a little bit of a pouring rim around my surface here, and so I'm taking a blade of a bigger crafting knife and just straighten out the surface of this piece because this is the front. And after I liked what I did, I let the whole thing really thoroughly dry for 5 days because I want it for outside, and therefore I have to seal the pieces, and yeah, they have to be totally dry for that. For my next step, I bought off of Timo those little yeah, pieces that are made of polymer clay, and those are like really little stockings and Santas and candy canes and stuff like that. And I bought two of those large Christmas trees, and I will like decorate those with those little pieces. So these are the pieces that are in that whole pack, and I really like them. So I put some crafting glue onto my paper there, and I have my micro brush there, and now I'm trying to pick up those itty bitty pieces. They're really, really small, and I'm trying to pick them up with the glue on the little brush there. But if I had to do it again, I would not do it this way. I haven't found out another way to do that quicker and better. So if you know a better way to do some tiny stuff like this, let me know in the comments. I probably wouldn't do that again if I had to do it over. I would do something else. So this is what it looks like now, and yeah, it was like nerve-wracking doing these, but I really, really like the outcome. These are my 3 houses that I poured, and I already sealed them with gloss varnish. And as you can see, they have like little windows on the sides as well, but they not like really see-through. So I decided to put some sparkle in them anyhow. So I put some gloss varnish into my cup and some gold glitter, and I will fill this mixture up in those windows. This wooden cutting board is my base for my winter scene, and now I'm trying out different layouts, how I want to put my houses down and the trees. And yeah, I'm trying out different layouts just to see what I like best. So I finally got my layout, and now I have to put something on top of this wooden board for my underground, and because I want it to be like a snowy scene, I just put my craft glue on top of this board, and I have something like yeah, it's like felt, something like that, and it's really thin, as you can see, and I'm just gluing this on top of my board to imitate snow. I really don't wait till everything is dried out. I just keep on going, and I put a generous amount of glue on the bottoms of my pieces, so the glue can like really penetrate the snowy stuff, and adheres all the pieces to the wooden board as well. So I'm just putting it down like I chose to before I put the snow on. I had some space left up in the front, and I bought those bobsleds just in case I need them, and this is where I glue one of them down. The ratio is not really right, but who cares? It's all fantasy. So I have a little bit of glue left, and I decided to put some glitter in there, white glitter, because I wanted to like be a snow scene. And I put this on the roofs of the houses, and when the glue is dry, it will be only the glitter that's going to be visible. A girl needs some more glitter, so I decided to put some of the glitter on top of the roofs there. Um, I just sprinkle it over. The glue isn't dry yet, so it will really stick to the roofs. So this is my finished piece. This is what it looks like now, and I will put some lights behind this and in the houses, and I will put it outside. And here you can see that I really only stuck the fairy lights in those houses and outside. If you like my video, please leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment. This is always nice. Yeah, I want to thank you for that, and I wish you a really nice time, and hopefully I'll be seeing you in my next video, and until then, bye bye.